Hello and welcome to ATN Live India. You are watching ATN Express with Jhuma. 7 dead, 1 injured after prison outbreak in Haiti's capital. Sri Lanka ends forced cremation of COVID-19 victims. India-China foreign ministers to establish hotline as both sides stress the importance of timely communication in the wake of last year's border crisis. Brazil signs COVID-19 vaccine deal with Bharat Biotech, the first batch of Covaxin shots to arrive in March. Pfizer said it will offer a third dose of 144 volunteers, drawing from people who participated in the vaccine's early stage US testing last year. 18 states including Maharashtra, Kerala and Telangana are under the scanner of the Central Agency of Disease Surveillance and Prevention, as these regions have added close to 200 cases of COVID-19 strain from the UK, South Africa and Brazilian variants of SARS-CoV-2. As Somalia's COVID-19 cases surge, a variant is suspected. Dubai, 2 US Navy warships operating in the Mid East have been affected by the coronavirus, authorities said on Friday, with one already at port in Bahrain and another heading there now. Japan wildfire rages for 5th day, more households to be urged to evacuate. 36 days after becoming US President, Joe Biden bombed Syria. US President Joe Biden believes it's important to modernize immigration system, White House states. Slightly high fare of short distance trains to discourage unnecessary travel, explains Railways. India still needs effective public sector banks, insurers, PM Modi states. Kerala Congress MP Shashi Tharoor pulls auto rickshaw in protest against fuel price hike. Gujarat Municipal Corporation polls. BJP wins one more seat in Kuber Nagar. Ahmedabad tally reaches 160. Election Commission to announce poll dates for West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Kerala and Puducherry shortly. Tamil Nadu government waivers off jewel loans by farmers and SSGS. COVID-19 surge in cases across Maharashtra continues but fatalities remain low. Just a trailer, letter in car carrying explosives near Mukesh Ambani's house. Students of classes 6 to 12 to receive free textbooks, says Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. Yusuf Pathan announces retirement from all forms of cricket. Poisonous liquor kills 4 in Rohtas district in past 10 days, 2 lost eyesight. CAT's nationwide trade shutdown shows mixed effects across Bihar including Patna. Bullion Association in Gaya district also supported Bharat Bandh demand for flexible GST law. Dalit colony engulfed in flames in Vaishali district. Police personnel rescued dozens of lives. That's all for today. For more news and updates, keep watching ATN Live India. Good night.